Renovating a front yard is not only about making it look pretty, but about creating a first impression that feels warm, inviting, and memorable. The front yard is the face of your home, the very first chapter of its story. With the right design, it can transform from something ordinary into something extraordinary, a place of pride for homeowners and a welcoming gesture for every guest. A stone pathway lined with subtle lighting accents creates both beauty and functionality. Each step toward the entrance feels guided and secure, while the texture of stone adds timeless elegance. The pathway is not just a route, but an experience that sets the tone for the home. A lush, well-trimmed green lawn radiates freshness and life. Its neat edges show care and dedication, while the soft carpet of grass creates a peaceful setting. A healthy lawn is the foundation of any beautiful front yard and a symbol of a home that is well loved. Vibrant flower beds framing the driveway breathe life into the front yard. Their burst of colors uplifts the mood instantly, creating joy with every arrival home. A thoughtful mix of seasonal blooms ensures beauty throughout the year. Ornamental trees bring height, shade, and balance to the front yard. Their presence offers both comfort and grandeur, casting cool shadows on sunny days while giving the landscape a sense of maturity and permanence. Carefully arranged shrubs around the entryway create a soft frame for the house. Their shapes and textures bring order and elegance, while also offering a touch of privacy without feeling closed off. Gentle garden lights placed strategically around the yard can highlight pathways, trees, and flower beds. This not only adds safety and visibility at night, but also creates an enchanting atmosphere that makes the front yard glow with charm. The soothing sound of water instantly elevates the mood of any space. A small fountain or water feature in the front yard adds tranquility, while also serving as a focal point that draws the eye and calms the soul. A simple bench placed under a tree can turn the front yard into a space for reflection and relaxation. It provides a welcoming spot not only for the homeowners but also for guests, reinforcing the idea of hospitality. A sleek, well-designed driveway with defined borders creates order and sophistication. More than just a place to park, it becomes an extension of the front yard's design, blending functionality with style. A low fence frames the property with elegance, offering subtle boundaries while still keeping the space open and friendly. Natural finishes like wood or stone complement the garden's character without overpowering it. Decorating the front porch with seasonal touches adds life and personality. Whether it's flowers in spring, lanterns in autumn, or evergreens in winter, the small details reflect the homeowner's warmth and creativity. A rock garden introduces texture and calmness to the front yard. Paired with ornamental grasses, it creates a modern, minimalist aesthetic that requires low maintenance while still delivering beauty year-round. Border plants along the walkway create a sense of direction and intimacy. They guide visitors gently toward the home while adding color, fragrance, and softness to the design. Stylish planters filled with thriving plants or flowers can instantly upgrade the entrance. They provide symmetry and visual interest while signaling a warm welcome right at the doorstep. A vertical garden adds greenery even in limited space. It offers a bold, modern touch to the front yard, showcasing plants in a striking vertical display that feels both artistic and refreshing. A thoughtfully designed gate serves as the first handshake of the home. Whether modern or classic, it creates a sense of arrival and sets the tone for what lies beyond. A single tree with striking leaves or blossoms can act as a centerpiece. Its bold presence captures attention, giving the front yard personality and a unique signature. Edging with bricks or stones provides structure and clarity to pathways. It ensures the garden looks neat and defined, while also adding durability and timeless appeal. Ground cover plants fill in bare spots with texture and greenery, reducing maintenance while enhancing the landscape. They create a seamless carpet effect that makes the yard feel complete. A pergola adds architectural charm, shading the pathway with elegance. It frames the journey to the front door like a ceremonial arch, blending nature and structure beautifully. Lamp posts bring a sense of grandeur and safety to the front yard. Their presence creates a welcoming atmosphere at night, guiding guests with both function and style. Smooth river stones add a natural finish around flower beds. They prevent weeds, retain moisture, and provide a polished look that complements the garden's softness. Symmetry brings harmony and balance to the front yard. Matching plants or planters on each side of the entrance create a sense of order and elegance that feels timeless. Small sculptures or art pieces in the garden add personality. Chosen carefully, they act as subtle statements that reflect the homeowner's taste and individuality. Raised beds make gardening easier while adding depth to the design. They showcase plants beautifully, creating layers and texture that make the yard more dynamic. An arch covered in climbing roses or ivy creates a romantic entry. It becomes a living sculpture, blending natural growth with architectural beauty. Incorporating eco-friendly designs such as a rain garden shows care for the environment. It manages water naturally while adding unique beauty to the yard. House numbers can be both functional and artistic. Choosing modern fonts or engraved plaques turns them into a design element that enhances curb appeal. The true success of a front yard renovation lies in harmony. When pathways, plants, lighting, and structures work together seamlessly, the space transforms into a story of balance, comfort, and pride.